So then you can see from the title and description what this evening is going to be about. It's a top speed test on the SUR-RON. The difference being with this bike now is I've got the BAC4000, a pumped up 60 volt battery, and I'm running a 56 tooth rear sprocket. I'm mainly doing this because it's been quite a popular question I keep getting asked. I don't really like doing top speed tests. They're not really my sort of thing, especially as I'm more off-road. It doesn't matter how fast it goes. If it does 70 miles per hour, you're not going to be doing that off-road. It's about how it gets there. That's what it's about. How I'm going to do this then, I'm going to go along the private road, and there's 3 sort of flat, straight areas where I'll be able to open it up and get a sort of rough idea what speeds it's doing. I've got the GPS app on, so it will record the highest speed. I reckon I'm going to be doing, I don't know, 50, 55, but we'll see. It'll be interesting anyway. Here we go then. Look, it's saying 11 miles per hour is my top speed so far. Right then, I don't like this phone holder. My phone better not come out. Well, we got to 59 then miles per hour. That's already exceeded my expectations. We'll give it another try in a second. Now then, I do think there's a little bit left in the tank, but let's try and confirm that. 62 that time. Wow. Wow. I'm going to spin it around. That was test 2. Right, I have one more attempt at a personal best. I'm pretty happy with that though, 62 miles per hour, considering I've got the 56 tooth rear sprocket. Just imagine if I had that original one on the 48 tooth. I reckon this would be doing 70, 75 miles per hour. Could be wrong. I'm sure someone has probably got some sort of formula to work that out. But yeah, I'd be interested to know if you have got a formula of what you think it would do. It's a bit of a trek to find these straights. See, I don't like these straights. They're a bit bumpy and a bit gravelly, and there's like pheasants in the track, and obviously if one of them walks out in front of me like they always do, and you have to lock up on this gravel, well, it doesn't want to, you don't want to think about it really. Am I going to get a personal best? What do you think? Has it got more in the tank? Let's try and find out. I feel like I've got a bit of wind in my face. That's enough. I don't want to blow it up. No, it's still on 62. I'm happy with that anyway. Like I said then, I'm pretty happy with that. Let me know what you think in the comments below. All that's left for me to do now is thank you, especially as you got this far. Hope you enjoyed. MOTO Machines out.